My name is Venkatesh and I am the General Manager of 36 Barbecue, a specialty barbecue restaurant situated in adjacent to HDFC Bank near Paradise Circle. This restaurant is promoted by a company called Macro Hospitalities Private Limited, and we also have two other restaurants in Hyderabad. One is road number 45 Jubilee Hills, which is called 45 Jubilee Hills, and another one in 36 Jubilee Hills, which is situated on road number 36. The speciality of this restaurant is we have a live barbecue which is placed on the table, and then we have followed with a lunch or a dinner buffet which has got 36 items, and that is the reason why we have named it as 36 Barbecue. We have a weekend special where we serve, along with the regular kebabs, we serve seafood kebabs, and also in the buffet we serve seafood. It's a multi-cuisine buffet we have, where we serve Indian, Chinese, tandoor and continental dishes. We have a vegan speciality, which is crabs, which we serve during the lunch and the dinner. We also have a bar, and the speciality of this bar is we serve a cocktail called 36, which is made of white rum, gin, and topped with cranberry juice. That we have a lunch and a dinner buffet that's happening here. The lunch timings are between 12:30 and 3:30 in the afternoon, and the dinner starts at 7 o'clock and we close at 12 o'clock in the night. And the same timings are applicable to the other restaurants also. The speciality of weekdays is we have a buffet where we serve chicken, mutton and fish and prawns for kebabs. And then we have a regular buffet which has got two soups, one non-veg and one vegetarian, followed by 5 salads and 4 vegetarian starters and 4 non-vegetarian starters with 1 rice item, which is the speciality of Hyderabad biryani, and then which is followed by 8 desserts. The total number of items that comes to 36 items in the buffet. The capacity of we can seat about 120 people at any given time. We have a wide array of drinks where we serve Indian and imported liquor. Apart from that, we have a good selection of cocktails also. The customer response has been very good. We have been here for the last 2.5 years now, and the business has grown from where we started to today. And the response has been pretty exciting and entertaining. We don't run schemes actually. We have a system where we pick up from our own customer base. We pick up a few customers and we offer them an additional discount during weekends, and then we offer them free dinner coupons for the birthdays and their anniversaries. Yes, we do run something like Valentine's special. We do run different menus for the New Year and things like that. We are looking at extending the menu. Instead of kebabs, we also want to add sausages and salamis and things like that. We have a branch in Karimnagar where we manage a 3-star property, and we also have a restaurant there. We are planning to open restaurants in Pune and Chennai. The message to the customer is I would welcome you to come here and feel the atmosphere and feel the ambience and have a great dinner or a lunch with us.